Today's recipe is inspired by my childhood in Dubai, where I first fell in love with this rich, flavorful spread made with simple local ingredients, including one personal favorite secret that I'll share with you later in this video. So, as I make this, I'm also keeping thoughts of peace in the world, especially in the Middle East. So, the best part, this couldn't be easier. Stores charge $10 to $20 for this, but once you have a few ingredients on hand, you can make this anytime at a fraction of the cost. That's how good it is. You'll find versions of it in stores, but this one is completely dairy free and just as indulgent, especially with the secret ingredient which just changes the whole dish. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes from Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. The first ingredient for this is of course pistachios. I just need 1 3/4 cups of this. Pistachios are one of my favorites. It's rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, and regular consumption of this, it helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation by boosting beneficial bacteria while supporting gut health. So the next ingredient is, do you want to guess? It's Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are the richest food source of selenium. This helps to reduce inflammation and supports the thyroid gland from getting inflamed. Brazil nuts, when blended, become nice and creamy, so this will pair really well with the pistachios. And now for the liquid, you can add coconut cream, or I'm just going to use some coconut milk, dairy free. And I'm using 1 cup of coconut milk. And of course, something is missing, otherwise how would this taste so good? But it needs a little bit of sweetness, a little touch of sweetness. I'm going to add some maple syrup. Just about 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I don't like it too sweet. Okay, now I have some strange ingredients going in this, and I will tell you why. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to balance that intense richness and sweetness. Got a pinch of salt going into this for that savory component and to make it pop as well. Now you know why they put salt on everything like chips. Also 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for that warm, nutty flavor. Finally, I'm putting 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and actually cardamom is a spice which is used frequently in Middle Eastern desserts. When cardamom is paired with creamy desserts, it has a citrusy, minty kind of a flavor. It also lowers blood pressure and aids digestion. I just gave this all a quick mix before I added my secret ingredient. Something else is missing, something floral. I think I know what. You know what this is? All the way from Dubai. Some saffron. Oh wow, so strong. Let me show you how to use this. Okay, so first I got about 1/4 cup of coconut milk in here. Very little. I'm going to pop this in the micro for like 20 seconds. In warm milk, I just added 3 to 4 strands of saffron. Saffron is very strong. Now, saffron, which comes from the Crocus sativus flower, has anti-inflammatory properties, especially for improving mood, improving vision, and it's so fragrant. It smells like honey with some strong flowery scent. I then covered the bowl with a plate, and I'm soaking the saffron for half an hour. Soaking the saffron is so important because this is the only way that the maximum flavor of the saffron gets released. After half an hour, you can really tell the warm, fragrant milk which turned yellow with the saffron. I went ahead and I added this to the blender. After this was blended, I poured the mixture in a glass bowl and I kept it in the fridge to sit for about 2 hours before tasting this. 2 hours later, once I opened the jar, I got a whiff of the aromatic, flowery pistachio cream. It had like an intoxicating aroma. When I scooped a spoonful of this, the texture was smooth and silky. When I put this in my mouth, the flavor was just divine. I like my nut butter to be crunchy, so I could get the firm, crunchy texture of the pistachios and the smooth, creamy texture of the Brazil nuts. It was so delicious, and the saffron just added a whole other flavor to this. Do make this at home, it's so easy, so tasty. It's cheaper, and you will definitely love it. Do give this a like and subscribe for more recipes at anti-inflammation kitchen. Have a great day, guys.